Now, we want to look at math module. What is a module? A module is a file that contains other codes such as functions, classes, etc. So for example, we have math module, which consists of some functions that we can use to perform arithmetic operation. So in the later lessons, we are still going to know how to create modules ourselves and work with modules as a topic. Now let's call the math module import math. Now we have declared velocity to be 6.345. So we need the lowest integer of that value. To get the lowest integer, we use the floor function, which is in the math module. So how do we do that? We need to print. So we call the math module. Then we need the floor function or the floor method inside the module, of which variable velocity. So let's print. So we get 6. So we want to get the highest integer of 6.345. That should be 7. So say print math dot, we use the ceil function or the ceil method, of which variable velocity. So here we're supposed to get 7. Now to find the square root, let's say print, we call the math module, then sqrt of, let's say, square root of velocity. Yes, you can get it. So the answer is 2.51. We can round off this number probably to a whole number to 1 decimal place. So you have to wrap this. Open the bracket and close the bracket here. So everything here, okay, we come here and put our round. So we are rounding off that answer to a whole number. So here we are getting 3. So now the last one we want to look at is factorial. You can say print the math module dot the factorial of a number, let's say factorial 5. So what do we get? We get 120.